When it's time to replace a door in your Rayne home, the material you choose matters just as much as the design. A door isn't only about style, it impacts security, energy efficiency, maintenance, and even the overall value of your property. With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming to decide. Here's a guide to help you compare popular door materials and find the one that best suits your needs in Rayne. Wood doors. Timeless beauty with classic appeal. Wood has been a trusted door material for centuries, admired for its warmth and elegance. Whether you prefer solid oak, mahogany, or pine, wood doors bring a sense of tradition and curb appeal. Pros: natural beauty and rich texture, highly customizable with stains, paints, and designs, offers excellent insulation. Cons: requires regular upkeep to resist warping or rotting in humid conditions, can be more expensive compared to alternatives. For Rayne homeowners who want a statement entryway and don't mind occasional refinishing, wood is an excellent choice. Steel doors. Affordable security and strength. If safety and affordability are top priorities, steel doors are a standout option. Known for their durability, steel doors provide reliable protection against break-ins while being budget-friendly. Pros: high strength and resistance to forced entry, energy efficient when paired with proper insulation, available in many finishes to mimic wood or modern styles. Cons: susceptible to dents and scratches, can rust if not properly maintained. Steel doors are perfect for families in Rayne seeking a balance of security and cost-effectiveness without sacrificing style. Fiberglass doors. The low-maintenance favorite, fiberglass doors have grown in popularity thanks to their durability and minimal upkeep. They're designed to replicate the look of wood while being much easier to maintain. Pros: resistant to dents, warping, and rot, excellent energy efficiency, wide variety of designs and finishes. Cons: higher upfront cost than steel, not as naturally elegant as solid wood. For busy homeowners in Rayne, fiberglass doors are a practical solution that combines resilience with visual appeal. Aluminum doors. Sleek and modern aluminum doors offer a modern, lightweight alternative. They are commonly used for patio entrances, sliding doors, and contemporary style homes. Pros: rust-resistant and ideal for humid environments, lightweight and versatile, low maintenance compared to wood. Cons: provides less insulation than fiberglass or wood, more prone to dents than steel. If your Rayne home has a modern design, aluminum doors can deliver a sleek look while being easy to care for. Glass doors. Brightening your home. Glass doors, often framed with wood, steel, or aluminum, are a fantastic option for patios or entryways where natural light is desired. Pros: enhances natural light indoors, can be paired with energy-efficient glass to reduce heat transfer, creates an open, inviting feel. Cons: requires frequent cleaning, offers less privacy unless frosted or tinted, may not be as secure without reinforced frames. For homeowners who want to enjoy the sunny Rayne climate, glass doors provide brightness and elegance. Making the right choice for your Rayne home. Every homeowner has different priorities when it comes to door replacement. If you value traditional beauty, wood may be the right fit. If budget and security are your focus, steel is a smart choice. For low maintenance and long-term reliability, fiberglass is hard to beat. Aluminum and glass, meanwhile, appeal to those seeking modern designs and more light-filled interiors. When choosing, consider local climate. Humidity and heat in Rayne can affect materials differently. Home style. The material should complement your architecture. Maintenance. Decide how much time and effort you're willing to invest. Budget. Balance upfront costs with long-term value. Final thoughts. Replacing a door is more than a simple upgrade, it's an investment in your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal. By carefully weighing the benefits of each material, Rayne homeowners can choose a door that not only looks beautiful but also performs well for years to come. Whether it's the timeless elegance of wood, the durability of steel, or the convenience of fiberglass, the right door material will make your home safer, more energy efficient, and more welcoming.